So what I'm going to be demoing here is CYMK and how you can actually make technically red and blue using this color system. Now yellow is a true primary. It cannot be made in either system. I do not have the exact colors here. I have very close equivalents, but magenta is normally a little bit lighter than this. And cyan is close to this, but it's a little bit lighter. So using these colors, I can technically create red, blue, and green, the additive primaries of that color wheel. So if I start with yellow, let me get the yellow out. I can create a little swatch, and I'm going to create a second swatch over here of yellow. I can take my magenta, and in all technicality, once I hit this yellow, it starts to kind of change. Now, if you look at that right there, that's red. Pretty much it is red. So you can take magenta and yellow and make red. I'm gonna do a little swatch of magenta here. Now, if you take cyan and yellow, it's very bluish, but you can make green. Just like how on the Goethe color wheel, you can mix yellow and blue together to get green. You can do the same here. The only difference is the green is a little bit more vibrant. So you can see it really well right there. Now blue, on the other hand, because I don't have the true primary colors here, it kind of looks more purpley to me. So I'm going to start it at the top right up here as I mix cyan and magenta. Now these kind of markers are a little, they pick up other colors a little bit when I mix them like this. So kind of bluey, but more of a purple. I think I just need to go over it a little bit more. So that would be how you would get blue if you have like true cyan and magenta, but my yellow is pretty much pure yellow. So that is basically how you mix these colors together to get those other primary colors. Red works very, very well here with magenta and yellow. Actually, I might have a way that I could show the blue. I'll try and use it with paint instead of using the alcohol markers, and let's see how that goes.
A few moments later.
So Miss Allen has every magenta and yellow known to man, but no cyan. Drives me nuts. So I went through and I managed to find my soft pastels that actually have a legitimate magenta, a yellow, and this one is very, 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 very close to cyan. So let's see if we can make blue. So I'm going to lay down some cyan and a little bit of magenta. Let's blend them in together. Still kind of purpley. Still pretty purpley. I need more of this. I'm starting to get more of a blue in here. There we go. We're starting to get blue. Just took this on a minute. It could also be that it's just pastels. Well, that turned into red pretty quickly. See? Let's try this one. Lay this down, and we'll lay down this. Then makes a very bright green. So, as you can see from that demo, yeah, you can make red, green, and blue from cyan, magenta, and yellow. A little bit more of a struggle on the blue, but you can totally do it. So, I'll see y'all in the next video.